Let's talk about a construction technology that gives you a 30 to 40% saving in program time. This saving comes from combining drainage and curbing into one activity with a combined kerb-drain. So what is a combined kerb-drain? It is a curb with a built-in drainage channel that directs water through it, eliminating the need for a separate drainage system. As you can see behind me, this kerb-drain is large and takes slightly longer to install than a standard curb and requires more concrete. However, it's much faster overall because you don't need to install a separate drainage system at all. Now, to drive the point home, let's look at the traditional system. Behind me, you can see water flowing into a gully. This is the traditional system. The water then flows into a drainage pipe. That drainage pipe needed a trench to be dug for it and backfilled as well. This is all time consuming. With a kerb-drain system, you eliminate the need to dig this trench and you eliminate the need to install the gully in the road. Finally, I want to briefly mention another key benefit of the kerb-drain system. By removing the gully from the road, you can improve the service life and quality of the road itself. This is because the gullies act as weak points in the road and they often break up and require repair, as you can see in the video behind me. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more content, please go to my profile and follow my account. All the best. Ciao.